Good evening, everybody. Tonight we have strange flavored foods again. Because why not? First up, birthday frosting filled Chips Ahoy. Yeah, I'm not a frosting person. So I don't know how to feel about these cookies. Ah! Ooh, they smell overly sweet. Pretty soft. And they have strange colored specks on them. Like candy. Oh, because there is candy on them. Okay then. I don't even taste the frosting at all. I just taste cookie with candy on it. But, oh. Next, Pringles honey mustard. Ooh, they smell like salt and vinegar chips. Very faint honey mustard sauce taste. But they're pretty good. I like them. So, these, they're okay. These, I like them. Well, that was this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.